welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Animal Hide and Seek. I guess. Oh, are you a seeker or a hider?
I'm a seeker.
You're a seeker?
Sinker.
Seeker.
Sticker.
You're not a sticker.
I'm a CE.
I'm a
What are you?
hider.
Ada?
Hider.
Oh yeah? Ada? My phone is gonna die, kid.
You could subscribe.
That was you?
Yes. Cause you can't run, I don't think. Or maybe I'm just stupid. Hi, I'm a seeker now. Oh, I'm
Now
done.
are you gonna be a seeker now, are you?
Think I just killed someone? Nope. Just shooting everyone, bro. Until there's no animals left. Just killed someone.
There's a little piece of bread here.
What do you mean?
I see a bread. Pebbles!
Hello. You should subscribe. Oh. Yeah, you
Wait, are you recording? Oh,
Yeah.
wait, I forgot.
should subscribe. Shh, subscribe, we said. Subscribe. In the Wild West.
The wild.
Wild West.
I'm gonna. My phone keeps.
What'd you get?
I'm a hider. What are you?
Me too. Where are you?
I'm a pink bird. I forgot what's the name.
A pink furry?
I'm right here.
A flamingo, you mean?
Mingle.
Let's go.
Mingle.
Burn! Don't be suspicious. 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 So don't be suspicious.
no.
Don't be
Did
suspicious.
you not make it alive?
Don't make it alive. Don't I make it alive? Who do you think I am? I'm just struggling for my freaking life right now. It's like they can see. Oh, so annoying.
Oh hell no!
What?
Oh hell! No, I'm getting
You're getting clapped right now?
clapped. I'm getting clapped. People clapping me. I'm getting clapped.
By who? Hey, you big back. Why is my gun in the air? Anyways. Just kill everyone. That looks... Did that chicken just jump? No. Big back. Oh, Pebble died. Are you just killing everyone?
We're just killing everyone.
You love killing everyone?
I love killing.
This is harder than I thought.
Yeah, I'd rather be a secret. Oh, I see one.
Where?
Where?
Where? Where are you?
Oh, I think they're gone.
Quick, get them. That's the last one. Maybe this one?
Oh, shit.
Still found them?
No, I don't.
Ah! Huh. Size.
Sorry.
Don't know if I killed anybody. Maybe I did. I don't know. Stud house? Sure.
Dun, dun.
Bum, bum, bum.
I got one question.
Huh?
Wait, what should I call you again?
River.
No, in the video when
Call me
you go
River.
to video and I'm not allowed to say your name.
Yes, you are. What'd you get?
I'm a seeker.
Me too.
Oh yes.
Oh. I'm blind. Illegally blind. I'm blind. Baby, I'm blind.
I'm blind.
Brain it.
Don't ask.
Mm.
Are you still recording? Question mark.
Yes, you big bad.
Am I allowed to say your name in the video? What should I call you? Should I just call you Olivia?
No. Just call me River.
That's one of my OC's character names.
Just call me River. Have you seen any big backs yet?
I found one. I found one.
Where?
I found one.
Got him?
I got pebbles. I got pebbles. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry for Pebbles.
Where are they? Oh, I see one. Oh no. Where the fuck are they?
Buggerty.
4, 6, 4. That's 4.
Buggerty. That one's not it because birds spawned in out of nowhere. What?
What?
Oh, we won. Did they leave or did I get someone?
Oh wait, I killed the last one.
Oh,
I think.
little Pebbles.
I wanna do the
Wild. There's a beach. B-E-A-C-H.
I'm a hider.
I'm a seeker. I'm a seeker, so oopsie daisies. Let's do this, bro. The voice crack was crazy. You jumped! Also, you can't say that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
That capybara?
I didn't jump. The freaking wall made me jump.
Got 3 people so far. So the kill everyone you see tactic does work. Also, why is everyone wolves? Wait, who won?
You won.
Ew. That's noise, I guess. No, give me the coin. It's diabolical. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Be next seeker? Sure. Never mind, that costs Robux. Campsite is the only map we haven't tried yet. Yacht. Cosmo, it's different. Don't mind her beautiful username.
You really need to change it.
Why are there so many cows? Oh my gosh! So many.
I'm a hider.
Me too. Oh, we gotta be a cow so we blend in.
Let's be cows.
Mr. Cowie Cow, come
Oh my god. Moo. Totally.
here.
Okay,
Should we say moo in the chat?
No, I don't want to say moon.
Moon.
Ah, they got me. They got me. How do I run?
You can't. Revive and revenge. Give me that revenge, little bro. There's so many cows. I get the cows, okay?
I gotta get the horse. Those ones are following each other.
What? Oh. Seeker's one, I think. Anyways, guys, I think that's the end of today's video. Sorry, it's a bit short.
We just recorded 3 videos today, didn't we?
Yeah, it's a lot of work. It's too much work. I'm gonna retire. Oh, never mind. No, I can't. They won't let me retire. How about over here? Oh, I don't want to spend your money on you. I can't retire.
Don't be suspicious.
Shut up. Anyways, guys, hope you have a wonderful day / night. Is that pancake? Have a wonderful day / night for and then I got Seeker. And then yar. Subscribe if you want. Totally, I'm not gonna be tickling your toes if you don't.
And also, I'm totally not under your bed about to lick your toes.
So if you don't like and subscribe, so yeah.